guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Roxy Tyrell, aka my bad girl Roxy Tyrell. Today I have another Shein Tryon haul. Okay, so I have the pieces that I will be showing you guys in the background. You know what I'm saying? I'm a bad. So if you guys want to see the pieces that I got, make sure you stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe to the channel. The links will be down in the description box below. So make sure you guys check that out. Make sure you leave me a comment to see what videos you want to do. You want me to do next. Yeah, so let's go. Okay, so this is the first item. It's a two-piece. Actually got it in a size small. I got the right size this time. It's not big. It fit me really well. Yeah. I got it for $8.69. So it's high-waisted, but I like when my belly ring show a little. Boom, cha, boom. You feel me? So yeah, this is it. It's really nice. On the front right here it say stay home, I think. Yeah, stay home. So yeah, on the front it just says stay home. It's a really pretty color. I love mauve on my body, so that's a plus for me. So yeah, this is the first item, y'all. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. It just say baby on this orange shirt. I got this in a size medium, so it's a really bright orange, like a neon orange. So yeah, this is this item. The price on this was $8.69. It's a good quality, I'll say, so far. I like it. So yeah, this is it. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. I love onesies, period. So yeah, this was in a size small. It's a little bit tight around this area, but it's snuggly snug. The print on this is like some angels. I'll probably insert like a picture so you can see it, but it's not coming up on the camera. The camera, I'm using my cell phone. My camera is too high tech and I don't really know how to use that bad boy, okay? But I'm using my phone. So yeah, this is this item. I love it. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. I love this pink. Oh yeah, baby. So I do got a little collar. I like the cut right here. Cute. I got this in a size small. The material isn't the best, honestly. I really don't like the material. It doesn't really have a lot of stretch to it. I got this for $13.03. I don't think I mentioned the price for this onesie. I got this onesie on a flash sale. It was $1.74. Yeah, y'all, it was $1.74. So that's definitely a big old steal. So yeah, this is it for this item. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. It's this really nice orange and black two-piece. I've been looking at this item for like a couple of months now and I wanted it. I don't like how baggy the front is. Let me flip the band. We do have pockets on the that works on the jogger. So yeah, let's see if I can put this down a little bit. So yeah, I kind of like drag them up a little bit. I like that effect. It has the two stripes, orange stripe right here. I might love it. The jogger is like noisy or whatever, but it's fine. I love it regardless. This item was $15.64. Really cute. I love it. I cannot complain. I'm not complaining about this item at all. Okay, you guys, so this is the next item. It's a green two-piece. Has some fake pockets right here. Now let me tell y'all something. The jacket is a little bit big, but I actually think I could, like, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'll probably repurchase it in a small, because I got this in a medium. I feel like the pants are okay. I don't know. The price on this was $21.72. So my plan for this item, so I was like, okay, I could wear like a crop top, a white crop top with some ones, because it's like bye bye Hanka welcome me. It's like high riders or whatever y'all call it. So I was thinking, okay, I'm gonna wear a crop top, or you know, I don't know what I'm gonna do yet, or I could wear some heels with it. But this is the length. Mind you, I have really long legs, so I think I should try on my white ones with it to see how. I mean, this is a little bit out of my comfort zone with a suit, and in my previous haul I got this white thing, so I'm just like, okay baby, it's a look, kinda. What y'all think? I don't know. So let me know down in the description box or in the comment what y'all think. I like it personally, so I don't know. I feel like it's a look. But yeah. So yeah, this is this. I like how the waist is like scrunched up. But yeah, I'm definitely wearing the. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and try on my last piece for this haul. Okay, just a moment. Okay, you guys, so this is the last item for this haul. I feel like this was something that I had gotten from Fashion Nova, but it was too big. So yeah, it actually not hit the floor, but it actually fit me all the way down to my ankles. So yes, yay, hey, hey, yay, hey. I love it. I love it. So yeah, this is this. I actually do love it. It feels so freaking good. I got this in a size small, and I paid 14. Hold on, I need to tighten this. Tighten up. Tighten up. I paid $14.77 for this item. So yes, I love it. But yeah, put some nice little cute sandals on. You're on your way, boo. But yeah. Okay, you guys, so this is it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, remember the thumbs up, share it, comment, and subscribe, y'all. So yeah, remember the links will be down in the description box if you guys want to check those out. Remember, I'm posting a video every Wednesday, Mountain Time, Arizona time, at noon. So look out for that. So yeah, this wasn't like a big old haul. It was like a little mini haul. But yeah, check the description box for the links, y'all. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.